why do I have this company? My wife made me do it. And people that are coming to us are spending a lot of their money. And they've worked hard to get that money. And we want to make sure that the money that they're spending is at the end of the day worth the product they get.
When you can take a picture at the end of it and look at how beautiful it looks is why I care.
The completion of the steps, and then ultimately that final completion, and being able to look at something that's tangible, that's something that people needed.
I think it's finding inspiration in one thing. I think once you create a relationship with someone, you always want the best. So whether that's giving them the best design or making sure that you're always connecting and touching base with them, you want them to be happy.
It's the psychology that I enjoy the most of the whole process and dealing with the clients and getting them from A to B.
It seems like they actually do care.
We have such a tight group of people that just want to do the best we possibly can and create this beautiful product.